Project execution is basically what happens after the sales group has identified a customer's needs, sells them a solution, and hands it over to the execution group to implement it. We at Motan in project execution make sure that that project scope is well defined, is truly a solution that is sound technically, that can be implemented and work perfectly for the customer. So we re-qualify during the internal and external communication that what was sold actually works. Quality is like breathing to us. If you don't breathe, it doesn't really matter what else you're trying to accomplish. But based on the quality that we execute every day, we're trying to stay agile, trying to find solutions, and because of the fact that we have such an experienced team, we can do what others simply can't do. So let's say you have a customer that works with your sales team, and that customer needs a sophisticated technical solution or a customized solution that may not be obvious to a sales team who is not in the field as much as we are. They can cast their net and bring us in during the sales phase. By basically not operating in silos, we merge as needed to make sure the customer gets the best possible solution. We obviously develop a project schedule with the customer to make sure that we understand what are the key milestones that they need to hit. Do those align with our capabilities? We have checklists for every phase of the project, may it be planning, may it be install, may it be commissioning, may it be training, or putting it into service. And at that point, you would think, well, I guess if you're happy, I'm happy. That's not how we do it. The customer gets to see that we have completed every punch list item, inspect the equipment and ask final questions. And when we do apply this sticker on our equipment, and that is the sticker that we have inside sales support for the equipment at any time, that means that I have my documentation in place on the server, with forms, pictures, checklists to make sure that the people behind that sticker have what they need to support the customer, and that is after completion of project. So the value-added items that the customer doesn't see, what we call the final 5% of the project, is a key component, and I truly believe that that differentiates us from the competition. So when we are on site and we get to play, and it's truly we get to play, because we don't manage the project behind our desk. When the project manager of Motan walks into the facility, it is not uncommon that he is being asked, hey, there's the guy with the Motan shirt, here, come with me, I have a question for you. If we can support other items that are going on that are outside of the capital equipment scope we are currently implementing, we will totally support. So do we do 10, 12-hour days in the field, sometimes more? Absolutely. Why do we do this? Because we see how happy the customer is, and we benefit from it. Because the next job, most often, is not really purchased or sold through the sales group. They just say, hey, we want to work with that guy again that you had there. We want him back. What a compliment is that, right? We love that.